Would you like to know how attraction marketing can help you rapidly grow your business with completely avoiding rejection and giving you an unfair advantage when it comes to prospecting and recruiting? If that sounds intriguing, then watch this video till the end where I'll share all the secrets. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to bug their friends and family or strangers to join them and instead create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your network marketing business every single week. And if you haven't yet, you can also sign up for my free attraction marketing bootcamp. It's going to be in the description of this video. That will help you attract more leads to you so you don't have to prospect. First, let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a well-respected, already popular, successful person join a network marketing team and they create success practically overnight? They have hundreds of people in their team. And all they did is they made a few phone calls, sent a couple of messages, and that's it. And all of these people joined. This is a phenomenon in network marketing that I like to call an unfair advantage. And this is crucial for attraction marketing. So brand building is that unfair advantage. These overnight success stories may be new in network marketing, but I can promise you this. These people were already successful in their personal life. They're a successful professional or an outstanding citizen in their community and already have a positive reputation. These people already had a following and were highly respected by their peers. Here's what's important. People follow winners, and that is basis of branding. Branding is following, reputation, and results. Now, depending on your background, you may not have that type of reputation or a huge network of connections when you first get started. In fact, most of us don't start with an unfair advantage. But imagine being able to create your own unfair advantage even if you're zero right now. It is entirely possible, and it's all about leveraging attraction marketing. Attraction marketing can help anyone, regardless of their background. So you wonder how. Your unfair advantage comes from building your brand using attraction marketing. It comes from investing in yourself so you can continue growing your value. It also comes from investing in your followers and helping them grow. This is the secret in attraction marketing. The more you invest in yourself, the more your network and following will grow. And more you invest in your recruits, more they're going to be duplicating those results. Most network marketers, when they hear you can grow your team rapidly, they want to do it now and just like the attitude is give me. But you cannot have something for nothing. It's all about the mindset. Respect this skill set that you're going to learn. If it took you 6 months to a year to learn it all, would that be okay? 6 months to a year is a heck lot of faster than using all tactics like hosting home parties, prospecting strangers on social media, and doing all this old school network marketing stuff. There are 3 phases to build your brand. Phase number 1 is when you have training wheels. In this phase, you're going to be learning both skills of network marketing, which is pretty much leadership, and attraction marketing, and that is how to attract highly qualified prospects to come to you. The second phase is brand building. Here you're going to spend 80% of your time building your brand and 20% in recruiting and promoting your business. Phase number 3 is landing wheels. Now you're going to be attracting leaders and influencers, and they're going to be reaching out to you wanting to know what you're doing, and they will want to join you when it's time to change their company. My network marketing story goes a little bit like this. For the first 4 years, I was wasting so much time prospecting strangers on social media. I was constantly in my messenger doing actions that I did not want to do, that I did not love, but I thought they were necessary. I was ignoring time with my family, like when we would go to the beach or something, I would be like, oh, I can't, I have all of these people that I need to follow up with. And it was quite exhausting. I was at the point of burning out and I almost quit. But then I saw network marketers who were building it very, very differently, and they were saying how they rapidly grew their teams without prospecting, and that was something that I wanted in my life as well. So at one point I threw my list away and I was determined to learn what it's called attraction marketing. So now I average about 15 to 20 signups every month. I grew my income 10 times from when I first got started in the last 18 months. And I absolutely love all the actions that I'm taking for my business now. That is without prospecting and really connecting and building real relationships, talking to only interested prospects who want to what I have and want to work with me. If you'd like to learn how myself and others have done this, then definitely get my Attraction Marketing Free Bootcamp. And just to tell you, my results are a fraction of what some other students have created in the past and created a complete freedom and abundance in their life. I'm really excited for you to go through it and implement everything that you learn. Somewhere around this video, there's going to be a link so you can click on there and get started today. My question for you today, what would learning attraction marketing and completely automating your business mean to you? Drop me that answer in the comments. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing for more episodes just like this, and I will see you on my next video.